A chord 26 centimeter is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Find the radius of the circle to one decimal place. These are the options provided. And first of all, we need to get a sketch to illustrate that information. That will give us a better picture on how to go about this. So first, you draw a circle. With our circle, let's take this to be the center of the circle. You have at this point a chord, and this chord we are told is 26 centimeters. The distance of this chord from the center of the circle is 10 centimeters. So you have 10 centimeters here. We are asked to find the radius, and radius simply is the distance from the center of a circle to any point on the circumference. So we can join this center to this point on the circumference to meet the chord, and you have a right angle triangle over there. So if this chord is 26 centimeter long, 26 centimeter divided by 2, we are going to have 13 centimeters. So when we extract this right angle triangle outside, we extract it, and this is what we will have. Here is 10 centimeters. This 26 centimeters divided by 2, we are going to have 13 centimeters. That is from this point to this point. We are asked to find the radius. That radius now becomes our hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. So from this, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, r will be equal to the square root of 10 squared plus 13 squared. And that's equal to the square root of 10 squared is 100, 13 squared is 169. When you add the two of them together, r is equal to the square root of 269. And the square root of 269, we have 16.4012. That is to 4 decimal place. But coming back to our equation, we are specifically told to find the value of the radius of that circle to 1 decimal place, implying that we are going to approximate this to 1 decimal place. That is, r will be equal to 16.4 centimeter. So 16.4 centimeter is the value of the radius of this circle with the length of chord 26 centimeter, whose distance from the center is 10 centimeter. And this corresponds with option C. So anytime you are given this kind of equation, first get the pictorial first, translate that into the circle, get your circle drawn, draw the chord, and label as appropriate. The length of that chord is 26 centimeters, and the distance of this chord, this line here is a chord. The distance of this chord from the center of this circle we are told is 10 centimeter, meaning from here to the center is 10 centimeters. And we are asked to find this r, which is a radius, the distance from the center to any point on the circumference. So dividing this 26 into 2, we got this 13. So extracting the triangle, we have 10 on this side of the triangle, 13 on this adjacent side, and we are left with r, which is standing as our radius in that right angle triangle. From this, you'll be able to proceed to your final answer using Pythagoras theorem. So that's how we got 16.4 centimeter as the radius of that circle.